was a wilting rose. A wall of rock had blocked and closed, color faded, petals brown, stem no longer safe and sound. Roots were tired, damp and cold, sunless face was drained and old. Wind-blown leaves were whipped about, and thorns had grown to wash the petals out. But you peeked through this wall of stone and found this rose and brought it home. You gave it sunlight every morn and watered it despite the thorns. You gave it color and petals new, replanted life, this rose then grew. And as the moments go on and on, love for it grew true and strong. And then one day when you arose, a man stood that formed the rose. With eyes of blue and lips of red, he turned to you and this he said: "You've given me a love so true, now let me give my love to you. Because of you this flower grows, for you are the rain, I am the rose." You've given me a love so true, now let me give my love to you. Because of you this flower grows, for you are